It's day 7 of sourcing every single day right here on YouTube to give you guys free products and show you the process of how you can find actually find products really fast, right? So we started 1 week ago, a couple of weeks ago. By the way, it's quite early, so I'm not sure if there's new products that popped up on Arbitrage Stalker already. So this is why we're going to do this. What we've done, I think it was 2-3 days ago, it was either on day 5 or on day 4, we launch a tactical arbitrage search for Walmart product, right? And we cast our net pretty wide, right? We did not follow best practice at all, and I just wanted to see if we'll be able to find some things doing this. Now, if we can't, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to Arbitrage Stalker, and if we still cannot find products, then we'll go back to do storefront stalking. So yesterday we found like 4 or 5 products with Arbitrage Stalker, which was amazing. So so the products will be sorted by return on investment. We're going to add a couple of filters. So I want stuff that is below 150,000 in sales rank, right? So I don't need all these weird ass products. But okay, so let's look at this. So we can get this for 38 cents, right? It sells 2,000 times a month, but Amazon Fresh is on it, so that's the issue. So yeah, that's great. People are selling at 458, but like it's moving really slowly. I mean, it's moving. It's indeed moving. So you can list on this. I mean, yeah, that's profit, but like it's really not moving that fast for you. Yeah, it's not really going to move really fast for you if you are like, because you're competing with Amazon Fresh. You're gonna get some sales, so that's one profitable product. So you're gonna get some sales, but it's going to be really slow. We just have this guy right now. There's nobody else. I mean, you have people from time to time. Sometimes you have a fourth seller. Yeah, I mean, it's profitable. You can get on it, but it's going to move really slowly. So, I mean, we have our profitable product, but I want something better for you guys. Stuff like that's crazy. Like, that's actually crazy. Wait, let me see. The grocery category is actually crazy. It's a category I don't spend enough time on, to be 100% honest. So we get this for 488. I mean, profit's not going to be great. 1350, and I'm not sure if these guys are selling. Yeah, I'm not sure. I mean, this guy did sell, but at a price which is like, it's crazy. The price at which it sells is crazy. So I mean, that's profit, but like that's not enough. Let's keep going. The buy box too flat, selling too slowly. You know what? Here's what we're going to do. I want faster mover. Like, it's way too slow. So I'm going to stay under 95,000. All right? I'm going to stay under 95,000. Boom. Too flat. Whenever it's purple like this, it means it's a multi-pack. So you need to pay attention. The issue with groceries is that we're going to get a lot of Amazon Fresh, see? That's going to be our main issue. But, I mean, are these guys moving inventory? The main thing is, are these guys moving inventory? That's it. That's all I want to know. Because if they are, I mean, this guy, it looks like this guy did move stock. I mean, this guy did move stock, and we get this for 124. I mean, it's profitable. It's just slow movers, you know? And that's going to be, we get this for 383. Let's check. Yeah, you get Amazon Fresh on it. Our main issue right here is going to be Amazon Fresh, like 100%. Let's do this. Let's boom, buy box. Let's remove Amazon having the buy box, and yeah, let's keep it this way. And yeah, let's see what we can make happen. Like this. We saw all of these already. I'd like a clear winner. I mean, these are winners, but like... So I have an Italian friend, that's all... That's the coffee, this is the coffee he eats. Yeah, that's Italian coffee. He drinks, I'm sorry, he eats coffee. He drinks, that's the coffee he drinks. Okay, so... That can make sense, so... Nah, I mean, pack of 5, 115, same price. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Pete's Coffee, no. Buy box looks pretty flat. Let's see. Well. It's moving. It's indeed moving. Is that going to be our winner? 1144, 1156. Let's just double check the price. 988. It's even cheaper than what I was thinking. So 988. I mean, it's moving. It's moving for sure. It may move a little bit slowly, less than 50 times a month, but it's moving. These people are selling. It's a slow mover, but that, I mean, that's a product, right? That's a profitable product. Let's see. Yes, we just have these two guys right now on this. And I'm gonna get it. So that's an interesting product. So it's a slow mover, but it brings profit. It's a low-key product, right? Because even if you get it at the full price at $10.99, right? Even at $10.99, I mean, you're profitable at this level. And it's been in the profitable territory like for the whole year. And nobody else came on it. Like, you got one guy that, like, some extra guy that came, sitting at 19. I mean, yeah, you're good. Like, that's a good product. We spent less than 10 minutes again, and we have one product, right? A slower seller, but like, you know, we could realistically go through this whole search and find a lot of products. So, yeah, you're welcome. I'll see you tomorrow for day 8, all right? Let's keep going.